Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. You guys know old number 47. You've been watching me rework it now for about a month. I have it finished. It's all set and ready to go. You can sharpen your plane blades, your axe heads, draw knives, whatever you want on it. Works good. Stone's in fine shape, trued up really well. I have 3 grinders now. I don't need this one. So this one's going up for sale. First $199 gets it. I'm not delivering it and I'm not shipping it. You have to stop by and pick it up. But while you're here, I'll let you walk around the shop a little bit and you can see some of the stuff that's happened here at Old Sneelock's Workshop. So you can reach me at Wishing Star Farm 663 at msn.com or Sneelock's Workshop on Gmail. I'd be happy to have this one go to a new home that somebody really wants to use it.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.